Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the laptop is ready. You have Windows 10 or 11 and you're signed in. Once done, open Settings right away. Press the Windows key +I or click Start, then Settings. You need to access accounts if you plan to track across devices, otherwise continue locally. Make sure any privacy prompts are accepted so usage data is available. This gets you to the control panel where Screen Time features live, and that's where we begin looking for activity or family options. Next, locate the Screen Time or activity controls inside Settings. You'll typically go to Accounts, then Family and Other Users, or open Digital Wellbeing/Time and Language depending on Windows version. Once there, select the account you want to monitor, your own or a child's, and enable Activity Reporting or Screen Time. This uploads usage to Microsoft if needed. It also allows local summaries. Make sure app and browser activity is turned on so totals reflect. Finally, open the activity history or view the Microsoft Family Weekly Report to see screen time breakdowns by app and device. You can set limits or off hours here, choose weekdays, weekends, or specific hours and save. If data is missing, make sure the account is signed in, diagnostics and activity collection are enabled, and the laptop has been online long enough to sync. As a tip, restart the device and sign out/in to force a sync if reports still don't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.